If you are looking for the right window and doors, then Wanjia would be a good choice. We have a large business team and our own production factory. Our professional production team maintains strict control over every stage, from manufacturing to packing and shipping, ensuring the quality of every single product. We not only possess a rich variety of product styles, but also provide exclusive customization services for you. As our company develops, our products continually upgrade. For example, this new folding door adopts advanced pulley components and features multiple door frame handles for easy operation. Its hidden hinges enhance the overall aesthetic. We provide optimal windows and doors for every customer. Choosing Wanjia ensures quality assurance. We look forward to cooperating with you.